Hi everyone, it's Rory at Club and Painting Studio. As part of a personal project, I have been putting together some Wargames Atlantic Dark Age Army Builder figures. I tried a couple of alternative painting techniques that didn't quite work out the way I wanted, but one thing that did come out looking pretty good for very minimal effort was the shields. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to quickly paint up shields using some Army Painter Fanatic acrylic paint and sponges. The shield sprue has been sprayed with Hyrax Brown, and then I've used some of the polished silver to do the bosses. I want to make these shields as quick to do as possible, and the idea is to churn these units out rapidly. And at the very least, you could stick it on the model now, and it would be half decent. Just a plain leather shield. I think getting some of the Paratrooper tan on a little sponge and splodging it on adds a bit of mud. And with minimal effort, you've got something that looks battle worn. Increasing the amount of mud on what's going to be the bottom edge makes sense. That's what shield's going to be resting all the time. Bit of sponge from blister pack, but you could just use a bit of kitchen sponge if you don't have any of that around. Looks pretty good. I think that there's the opportunity as well to use this method to actually paint some patterns on the shield. So I've got a bit of Fiendish yellow. And very quickly just build up the colour on half the shield. If I get a bit on the boss, it doesn't matter. Get some more of the silver out. Tidy that up. And by using a sponge, you get some of the brown showing through. So instantly it's looking a bit dirty. Then get a bit of pure red. Do the other half. And this is a lot quicker than taking a brush and painting on layers of your paint and then weathering afterwards. The weathering's happening all at once. Once that's dry, I'll probably take a bit of the Paratrooper tan, do along the bottom, tidy up the boss, and I think that'll look really good from a distance across the tabletop. So that was the process, and when they're all stuck to models and viewed en masse, I think they look really quite good, considering how little effort went into them. That's a great battle-ready look. Across the tabletop, I think they're going to look weathered, and the sort of the basic patterns on them mean that they suit any warrior from sort of Goths in the late Roman period through to Saxons in 1066. These guys are so generic that they work in just about any army. If you've got any comments about the process or any other hints and tips on how to turn out Dark Age figures quickly, please pop them below and I'll get back to you in the comments. In the description, you'll find a couple of links on how to support the channel if you want to be like some of these awesome channel members and Patreon supporters who are helping me get the models in and the paints in to try out these things to share with you all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.